Good afternoon. My name is Annelies Zinkernagel. I'm the president of ESCMID, and I'm about to walk into the GLG-ESCMID high-level AMR meeting. I'm very excited. It's extremely important because for the first time, GLG and ESCMID are bringing together policymakers, scientists, and clinicians to talk about the problem of AMR based on the experience of COVID. And so there will be quite prominent talks. We'll have 4 keynote addresses and 2 panel discussions focusing on bringing innovation forward and focusing on preventive measures for AMR in the future. So what we learned from COVID-19 during the pandemic is that it was extremely important to talk together, to share knowledge amongst clinicians, scientists, as well as policymakers. So GLG and ESCMID have built upon this experience and are really trying to bring and merge these experiences towards AMR to discuss these topics amongst scientists, clinicians, and policymakers, that it will be made more prominently, that people will be more prominently aware of this and more actions will be taken. Special focus will be on improving diagnostics, but also preventive measures, optimizing treatment of patients with AMR infections. If we don't have accurate diagnostics, we will be not able to recognize the problem. And since AMR, as the name says, implies antibiotic resistances, we will have difficulties treating these infections if we can't diagnose those, but also if we don't have novel treatment options. And even more important is preventing these types of infection. That's why this trias is so important. ECCMID is the conference of ESCMID, and ESCMID, our society, brings together clinical microbiologists and infectious disease specialists coming from different regions worldwide. So I think it's really an optimal setting to discuss these topics together with policymakers and move forward. ECCMID is the excellent platform to bring these different levels together because ECCMID is the conference of ESCMID, the European Society of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases, and as the name implies, is bringing infectious disease specialists as well as clinical microbiologists from different regions of the world together, now with policymakers. So we're really looking forward to the panel discussions as well as the keynote lectures to foster ideas and bring those forward.